This program is rated SPG. It contains scenes with themes, language, violence, sex, horror, or drugs, which may not be suitable for children. Strong parental guidance is advised.
Stop.
Eric Banakuba, how are you?
Me? Very well, Mama. Very well. You want meat?
Yes, Banakuba, I want meat. How was your meat? Is it good?
Very good, Mama. Good and fresh. Can you see me in the picture? There a slapping ball?
What part you will give me?
Any part you want, Mama. Whatever you ask for, I'm here to serve you.
I want that. I hope it's fresh.
Completely fresh, Mama. Number one, how much do you want?
A shilling worth only, unless you want to give me more on credit. I want that of only.
Yes, but you want good and fresh meat, isn't it? This is very good. See, excellent. Number one, I tell you.
I don't want it.
Okay, your wish. Was it this one you wanted?
That's it. Now you know it. What's that you're doing there? I didn't ask for stone. I don't want them. Remove them at once.
Mama, they aren't stones. They are very good bones with plenty of meat on them. See, excellent, grade one.
What I am to do with bones? I'm not a dog.
Nana ko yun sa'yo. Here it is, Mama, your meat.
It's your money. At least you don't want it.
Hey, why not? Thank you, Mama. Thank you very much. God help you.
Kala ko ba? Goodbye. Let me have a pound of meat, please. Good morning, Mama. Good morning, brother. What's the quarrel with the butcher? Nothing. Complaining of our treatment. I heard you shouting. No. I was joking with him. That butcher is very a nice man. You know. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye. Give me very good meat and no bones, please.
No bones. Just a little one for your father.
No, my father has no teeth.
Oh, I see. Dongo, Mr. Dongo, just come over here, please. I'm delighted to see you. How are you?
Excellent, thank you. And you?
Not well at all. Because you still haven't endorsed my trading lessons. Please do it just now. Only a week is left before the closing date.
You're taking lessons? Hasn't anyone taught you how to get good? Shut! See? The whole floor is littered with scraps and bones.
Stop.
Why is it broken?
I'm sorry. I didn't know about these things. If you return next week, I promise everything will be in order. But please, I must have the license endorsed by next Monday.
Alright,
Please, everything will be in order next week. I promise.
Come on, where's my meat?
Oh, there he is. I'm sorry. I will be a minute. Alright, please.
What's to be done? And that girl, she didn't pay me. Where did she go? It's too late. She's laid off.
Come near your stinking meat.
No, no, never. Ah, this old man. Hanubay, please help me.
You know that health inspector? He's refusing to endorse my trading lessons. I whitewashed my shop and bought a new apron. But still he comes and asks me why my shop's dirty and why my hair's not stylishly. What's to be done? What am I to do?
That man, I knew him. He's a dog. He's hungry.
Hungry?
Yes, hungry. He wants some bones.
Bones?
Yes, bones. You still don't understand? He wants some bones.
Oh, bones. Bones. Yes, I see. You want some bones.
1 week later.
Not so well.
Well, I'm very sorry. Anyway, I hope you've come to endorse my lessons.
Endorse your lessons? Just like that? With such a dirty shop?
Oh, by the way, Mr. Donga, I almost forgot. I have something for you. I thought you might like your bones to stay home.
Bones? Bones? What should I want with bones? Oh, bones! Bones! That's very thoughtful of you. They will come in every handy. Mr. Awad, your shop looks really clean today. See? No cobwebs, a clean scale, a new broom, dustbin outside. It's the way we want it. Don't you worry about your hair. Come on, give me those forms. Just give me your pen, please. Something's go wrong with mine.
Certainly, Cinderella. I'm at your service.
You bought a new pen? Well, that's done. Now you'll be alright. Okay, Mr. Awad. Wahar.
Thank you. Wari. Wari.
Hello, Mama. Good morning. You want meat?
Just look at your shop and you're so dirty and stinky. I'm not going to buy you meat from you anymore. I'm not going to next butcher to cleaner shop.
But Mama, I have a license. Listen, certified, clean, and fit to sell human consumption. Mama!